Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make good French toast at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget a dash of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon for that classic flavor. Using slightly stale bread helps it soak up the custard without falling apart. This simple combination creates a delicious base. Now let's prepare our custard. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Whisk until everything is well combined and smooth, with no streaks of egg yolk visible. A shallow dish makes dipping your bread much easier and less messy. This creamy mixture is key to flavorful French toast.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation, just like a good book, a great breakfast can transport you. Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite stories while sipping coffee. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to dip your bread. Take each slice and quickly immerse it in the custard, ensuring both sides are evenly coated but not overly saturated. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding a small amount of butter or oil. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Once your French toast is cooked, it's time to serve. A classic choice is warm maple syrup and a sprinkle of fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. You can also dust it with powdered sugar, add a dollop of whipped cream, or even some chocolate chips for a sweeter treat. For a heartier meal, pair it with crispy bacon or savory sausage. Enjoy your perfectly made French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.